Good morning, welcome back to my channel.
This is Shares.
Hi, I'm Shares.
You should give me a backstage talk, she's an absolute babe.
It is, I'm ready so early.
It slopes here, which is quite scary actually.
Where have I put it? My other vlog, I didn't actually introduce it, it just sort of started. And you can come to expect more of that from me, maddylucydann, here at maddylucydann. Today, I'm going down to London with my mum. The time currently, it's 8:40. My mum lives about 35-40 minutes away, so she said she's gonna set off at 9. The train isn't until 11:15. We're going to London primarily because tomorrow is the world premiere of Bridget Jones' Mad About Boy. I'm wearing the most originalist dress, so much so I bought 2 backups because the dress could rip. I could have a sudden crisis of confidence. Hasn't happened yet. Any day now, surely. I'm going to wear my frog shoes and I'm going to take my frog bag. I have to take a massive suitcase because you might have seen in my previous videos that it's that massive dress, so it takes up a fair amount of space. Now, in order to actually pack my makeup, where have I put it? Directly in my blind spot. I'm going to put some makeup on now and then pack this. When we get to London, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go towards the hotel, and then we've got lunch with my friend Shares. I met Shares at a Look Fantastic event, and then I saw him when I was in London. We drank our way down a cocktail menu, and then I got the ropiest last train back up to Manchester, geez Louise. He is back in London only for January, and I had a really busy early January. I managed to double book myself, I think twice. We finally managed to squeeze in a lunch today, so my mum's gonna come along for the lunch. Then after that, we're gonna go and see Les Mis. Now, hilariously, my mum found a video of me and her on the train down to London, the train across to London to go and see Les Mis. I assume for the first time, and I'm reading out like the blurb.
Seen by more than 70 million people in 43 countries and in 22 languages around the globe. It is still breaking box office records everywhere in its 30th year. Set against the backdrop of a 19th century France, Les Misérables tells an enthralling story of broken dreams and unrequited love, passion, sacrifice and redemption. A timeless testament to the survival of the human spirit.
I bumped into the girl that plays Fantine at our voyage because we were both in the Oceanbird Lounge, and I had had 1,000 cocktails and I was feeling particularly emboldened, like Galinda emboldened Bach. Do you know what I'm saying? Back. And also Lucy Jones. And she's just incredibly talented. I saw her when she was in Waitress. I've never seen her in Wicked, but she's just brilliant. I obviously watched her series when she was on X Factor. What is that cat doing? Why are you sniffing, Mr. Cat? Oh my god, can you hear me? There's no way, you're a mile away. Anyway, and I messaged her to ask if she was going to be performing tonight, and she is. She did then offer a backstage tour, so we'll see if that happens, but I have no expectation. I'm not entitled to it. Would be cute, but if not, it's fine. The time is, I've whittled on, 4 minutes, so it's time to get ready. As always, the get ready thing will be on my TikTok because I've got to put something on there. Oh, anyway, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair tomorrow. I think I'm gonna like just keep throwing scrunchies into my suitcase in the hope that I'll be able to do something decent with my hair. I don't know what all my scrunchies are. Oh, I've got loads of these cute little hair clips. I'll just have that button straight out. I could have just taken the pink ones out, to be so for real. Less fannying, more makeuping. Wait, I'm gonna put you there. A bit dangerous because I've not got any pants on. Well, I've got pants on, it's just tights. I'm queen of the camera angles, me. I've just been steaming what I'm going to wear today, which is this. My makeup's pretty much, well, my makeup's done, that's what I'm going to do for today. And I'm just sort of considering desperately how to try and keep my hair clean for tomorrow. Am I even in focus? Sometimes, if things feel really busy or I've got a lot on, I like to plan poorly for it. Well, I mean, like I plan, I've got an outfit, but then I also just like to leave the rest up to fate, you know? There are some things I'll figure out on the day. I mean, most of my, put a bit of perfume on. I think that most of my like planning for stuff, oh yeah, drench yourself, tends to be thinking about it. Because yesterday my mum was like, oh, you're all ready for tomorrow? And I was like, yeah, I think so. Bearing in mind I hadn't packed a single thing, but it was more that like I'd considered everything in my brain And apart from what I'm going to wear today, which I've now decided on, I didn't really know what was going on. I'm going to keep the tights on underneath that place, otherwise I will freeze to death. And I'm going to wear blue Converse. And this is out of focus. And I'm very overexposed. And I just don't like her. And I hate that even more. Okay, bye. We're on the train, ready to go. They changed the platform last minute, which was a little bit scary, and then they also turned all the lights off. But it's fine.
The lights are on now.
The lights are on.
But there's nobody in.
There's nobody here. I've got a bad bum chin, I've got. It's my father's fault. But we're ready to go. We're going to have lunch with a boy first.
We are. He's very handsome.
Handsome boy. And then we're going to go see Les Mis, and then tomorrow's the premiere. You excited, Mum?
Yeah, very excited.
I'm excited. Okay, cool. We're here in the hotel. We've been for lunch.
Hi.
Sneak into frame. Oh, no.
Went for lunch with the boy, and then Shez came along. This is Shez.
Hi, I'm Shez.
Welcome
I'm really
to
tan in
vlog.
comparison to you. Look at
Yeah,
that.
okay, great.
Like a
Well,
porcelain
and
doll.
It's called not growing up in Australia.
It's very, very central. Like when you walk out the front door and look to the right, you can see the Sondheim Theatre. I've been talking with Lucy. Yeah, Lucy Jones. Yeah, I've got friends in high places. Hopefully we can have a little sneak around backstage, but we'll see. So I'm waiting with bated breath for that. And then we're gonna come back here, hang out, and then go and watch Les Mis. Excited, Mum? There she is. We've got twin beds because we don't share a bed. Tube, say hi, Lucy.
Hello.
Lucy's giving me a backstage tour. She's an absolute babe. I alluded to this earlier in the vlog, but I didn't want to jinx anything.
Oh, it just
it's like, hopefully she's gonna do it. Hopefully.
Yeah, we've done it. We've made it. Welcome to the Sondheim Theatre.
You're such a big deal. So this is beyond nuts. Look, I'm on the stage. It slopes here, which is quite scary actually. But we'll be sitting, I think, 1, 2, 3, 5, maybe there-ish. We're row F. Here's Javert. I bet Mum will sit and go, oh, that's a lovely coat. You can't try. Oh my God. Get on now. Javert's coat. Don't put it on, Mum. She's gonna put it on.
Nice coat.
They're lovely coats.
Lovely, aren't they? Yeah.
It's giving like.
Little black.
Hey Mum, what did you think of that?
Amazing.
I walked around most of it like this. Thank you, Lucy, you're the best person ever. Oh my goodness me, how flipping cool. Lucy Jones is just the best, actually. Simon Cowell, what were you chatting about when you said she had no emotion on X Factor? Yeah, I haven't forgotten. How dare you? But it was brilliant, wasn't it good, Mum?
Fabulous.
Mum's just resharing some stories I've tagged her in. And then in, wait, what's time now? 18:50. We'll be heading back to the theatre, which is literally a minute from this hotel. We're staying at the Montcalm Piccadilly Townhouse because it's super close to the theatre and super close to Leicester Square for the premiere tomorrow. And then we're gonna go watch Les Mis. And also Lucy said she's gonna wave at me in the bows, and you're allowed to film during the bows. So I'm gonna make sure everyone knows that Lucy's waving at me. And also some other people that she promised to wave at. But still, she's waving at me. That was amazing. I find it nuts. Oh look. Sorry. Beating of your heart, there goes the beating of the drum. I love Les Mis. I think this is my 3rd time seeing it. I definitely saw it 10 years ago, and then I've seen it again with Mum. I think every time I've seen Les Mis, I've been with my mum. I don't think I've been on my own to see Les Mis. I've been on my own to see Phantom and several others, but I don't think I've ever seen it on my own. So I'm super excited, but thank you again. And also thank you to everyone at Les Mis for doing the show, because I love it. But also for letting people come backstage, because there was a few other people in different groups that had come backstage too. It's great. We bonded, Lucy and I, over Mitch Wood, who's a TikToker that deserves millions more followers, and he does these utterly hilarious skits about stagey people, and they're so funny. Not that I would know, but Lucy says he's spot on. I need to show you how close the hotel is to the theatre. This is how close the hotel is. We've literally just walked out the front door. And there's the theatre. Yeah, I paid over the odds for it. You can't pay, well you can pay for a location like that. What's that, Mum?
I'll leave the audio visual to you.
Heard it here first. We met a guy that is about 3 meters tall outside, who fortunately does not appear to be sitting in front of us.
Well, not in front of me anyway.
Not directly, there's a few seats left, who knows. welcome back to the vlog. There's Mum. We had the most sensational time at Les Mis. Didn't we have a great time?
We've had a great time. It was amazing, seriously.
It was seriously amazing.
That's
It's my dress for later. Plan for today, we're going to go down, there's a Gale's bakery next door, so we're going to go there and get a pastry and a coffee, and then we're going to have a little wander around, do a recce walk to where we're meeting for the premiere, which is literally a 4-minute walk away. I'm going to do lots of, well, I'm going to try and do some TikTok transition videos, getting ready.
Transitioning.
It's already happened. Why do you think I'm so tall? Joe Good and Paula Hill House Vintage, it's not her surname, it's her at, I forgot what her surname is, Sutton, obviously. They're going to be at the premiere too, so I'm very pleased. I don't know if they're going with the same agency that I'm going with, but it's an intimate event, so we'll see them there. I mean, they won't miss me, look at the size of that dress. The dress code was glamorous and glorious, serving main character energy, and also Hampstead Heath. Is that an aesthetic? I don't know. Interested in attending, Mum? Yeah. Well, then you better be nice to me. Oh look, there's the carpet going down. Putting little like trees and stuff. Bridget Jones mad about the boy. They're doing the flower wall. Adorable. We think we've spotted Batman. Yeah, it's Batman. Hello, up there. This is a very interesting sculpture. It's called The Lady Whose Knee Hurts. Vote in the comments. Would you offer her an MRI scan or just an X-ray? Mum, why does his sleeve have a slash in it?
It was part of the fashion of the era to have slashed doublets.
Oh, so I've done my makeup. This is the face. I'm pretty pleased. These earrings are clattering together and it's a bit noisy, but I don't care. But these were for Christmas from my mum, and then these are July Child. I've got my Daisy London necklace. Now this wristwatch, of course, it's a Casio. Now this dress is what goes underneath this dress. And then I'm wearing my frog shoes and I have my frog bag. I'm ready so early. It's 2:42. I've got to be there for 5:35. So, but this dress is going under, it's from Superdry, and then I've got, try not to flash, these socks on. But before I lose the natural light, I'm going to finish some transition videos I've been doing on TikTok. Oh, this is the hair as well. It's 90% hairspray, but I think that's okay. The dress code was glamorous and glorious, serving main character energy. Can you hear this deafening racket?
Oh, there she is. We've arrived.
Just waiting for the carpet to open. I've seen Joe and I've seen Paula and we're loitering.
Hi YouTube! Stuart Francis and it's Caroline. I'm in Flippin' House long hair.
And she's got extensions in. She's catfishing hard.
And then it was over. Oh yeah, show your goodies, your wares. Mum's been minesweeping all the chocolate. I'm so stupid, I just thought, where's my phone? It's in my hand. It's actually a fabulous film. Really enjoyed it, didn't we, Mum? It was fabulous. And here we see... Okay, we're back. I've gotten out the dress. Oh, had a few people take videos of me in my dress. It's great, I'm very pleased with it. It went off very well. This is Mum's haul. She actually quite gently mineswept, didn't you, Mum? 4 ripples, 5 and a bit, that's my bag, of minstrels. Good effort, Mum. We're just workshopping the next look for the next premiere. I think that would be a great thing to wear.
Transitioning.
Just transit. Why do I look kind of slay like this? Look at my hair. Why does that happen right before I'm about to wash it? I could never do this to my hair on purpose. Why does my hair look kind of slay, Mum? Oh my goodness, hi. Welcome to the end of the vlog. Yeah, that was where I stopped. We went to sleep, woke up the next morning and made our merry way back up to Manchester. I then worked 2 night shifts and here I am, finishing the vlog, because apparently I can do an intro or an outro. I can't do both. But thank you for watching and I'll see you at the next premiere. That's me shoehorning my way to another premiere. Okay, goodbye.